Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a non-profit insurance plan with GuideOne easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a non-profit insurance plan with GuideOne, begin by identifying your non-profit's specific needs. Assess the unique risks associated with your organization. Consider factors such as the size of your non-profit and the activities you engage in. Next, visit the GuideOne website to explore their insurance options. Look for the section dedicated to non-profit organizations. Review the various types of coverage available, such as general liability, property insurance, and auto coverage. Take note of any additional coverages that may be applicable to your non-profit's activities. Once you've gathered information, create a list of essential coverages based on your assessment. Reach out to a GuideOne representative for expert guidance. Discuss your non-profit's specific requirements and the potential risks you've identified. Ask for a tailored insurance proposal that meets your needs. Carefully review the proposed plan to ensure all necessary coverages are included. Inquire about the cost of the insurance and any available discounts for non-profits. Once satisfied with the proposal, complete the application process as instructed. Provide any additional documentation that may be required. After your application is submitted, wait for your insurance policy to be generated. Review the final policy document for accuracy and completeness. Store your insurance documents in a safe and accessible place. Periodically review your insurance plan to ensure it remains current with your nonprofit's activities and risks. Adjust your coverage as necessary to address any changes in operations or risk exposure. This proactive approach will help protect your nonprofit and ensure its long-term sustainability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.